This is Darlene of Darlene's Junk Journals and More, and welcome to the Hop. This is day 2 of the fall collaboration and challenge between DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon Creations for the fall 2022 J&C fall collaboration. And here's the page that we received from Cara Brandon Creations, and this is the one we're working on today, and it's got all these beautiful images, and so this is what we're working with, and this is a page that we received from DearJulieJulie, and this is what we're going to be working with today. So this is what I ended up making. This is a 2-page spread, and this is a belly band. As I said before, I'm working on this mini album. I'm just working on the cover presently, but I've got everything else finished. So I took the Woodland Serenade from Julie's, and I took the owl and the one of the mushroom, or one of the flowers from Cara's, and mounted it onto this Count Your Blessings paper that I have from my stash, and I put that in for inside the belly band. And I took one of my girls that I have from my stash and added it to here, and took a different flower from DearJulieJulie's that I had from previous, and this is DearJulieJulie's background, Cara's bird, and just made a bit of a collage there for the front of the belly band. And then for this page, I took one of Julie's flinch cards, Cara's butterfly, Cara's deer, and the one of Julie's backgrounds from another part of the kit, and one of Julie is from another part of the kit. And then I took the mushroom and that mushroom, and this is from another part of the kit, I believe, or it might be from another kit, I'm not sure. And this is just a little tuck spot envelope. And then I made this. It's actually a long, this is just a writing surface. Excuse me. And I made this as, it's on an envelope, but I made a large paper clip. This is from Cara Brandon Creations freebie that's available on her Facebook group. And then I just took DearJulieJulie's, one of her images there, put it around. This is from my stash, and that's from my stash. And all the little leaves I cut out of, they're actually from a flower book, and I just took the colors of the flowers and made the leaves. And then this, it's a little bit stiff getting it out because it's on the paper clip. Took another one of the girls that I have, and then this is just, it's a little pocket. It says the ripeness of autumn fills the air. This is just some different images from the different kits. This was just additional stuff. And this is from DearJulie's additional. These are all, the shiny ones are all napkins that I laminated on one side. And that's just a little writing spot. And And so that just goes back in there, but it's a pocket paper clip and an envelope. And then this opens like so. I'm going to turn this so you can see it. So this is another place to journal. This just says, be grateful, be humble, be kind. This was from Cara's and Julie's, and Cara's. And then this is another page. I'm just going to check and make sure I'm still in frame. I think I am. Looks like I am. Okay. This is a page from DearJulieJulie's kit. It's her companion kit. And then I just did another one of those. These are all from a, it's like a journal. It's just a little, it's like a spiral journal. And then this opens up and I've got the pheasant page. I took this from DearJulieJulie's last year. This is from, I think it's DearJulieJulie's, or might even, yeah, this is a collage, yeah. And then this is from Cara Brandon's this year, her new kit. And this is DearJulieJulie's, one of her new kits. Sorry, I can't remember the name. This is from Cara Brandon's, one of hers last year. And I just added the leaves to it again. Just gonna make sure this is all in frame. Okay. I've seen that page, so I'll bring it this way. Okay. So this is another of the little images of the girls. Just did the 3 colors that we had there with the little piece of the game. And then this is another journaling spot with writing on the side and Cara Brandon's page from her new kit. In the center part, I have the mushroom, DearJulieJulie's, excuse me. DearJulieJulie's deer. Another one of those from the same kit. And this one just slid under. Just grab it if I can. Okay, and this is another one that I had printed just slightly smaller. And so they just tuck under there. So I've got lots of places to write and still can enjoy the beauty of their work. So that's what I made for day 2. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll come back again. And from here, just carry on with the with the hop. And I thank all my returning and subscribers and all my new subscribers. And I just am really enjoying this. I'm really enjoying how this turned out, and I'm enjoying very much seeing what everybody's making. And if you're not one of the fawns and you'd like to join us, please make sure you use that hashtag on anything you do so that we can add you to the hashtag playlist, and so that your work gets seen as well. So bye now. Thank you very much.